Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, my dear 10th class. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Dear students, we will continue this exercise 1.3. In our previous video, we have done 3 questions, and in this video, we'll continue the next 3 questions. So, question number 10 is x4 minus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Dear student, this type of equation is known as the reciprocal equation, and the method to solve this, we will divide this equation by x square because the degree of this equation is 4. So we will divide it by x square to make this equation in the quadratic form. So when we will divide, then you know that their exponent will be changed. So it will becomes x square, it will becomes minus 2x minus 2 plus 2 by x plus 1 by x square. And after that we will combine values of x square, value of x and constant value. So it will be x square plus 1 over x square minus 2x plus 2 by x and constant value minus 2 is equals to 0. We will take 2 as common and get minus 2 as common, get x minus 1 over x. Dear student, now we will put this x minus 1 over x with any variable. In this question, I have put this x minus 1 over x is equals to y. So when we will take the square on both sides, it will becomes y square is equals to x square plus 1 over x square minus 2 by using the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if we will write the minus 2 to right hand side, from right hand side to left hand side, then it will becomes y square plus 2 is equals to x square plus 1 over x square. And now we have two values, x minus 1 over x is equals to y and x square plus 1 over x square is equals to y square plus 2. So this equation A will becomes y square plus 2 from this, and this will minus 2y and then minus 2 is equals to 0. Minus 2 will be cancelled with plus 2 and we have y square minus 2y is equals to 0. And now take y as common, it will be y minus 2 is equals to 0. So y is equals to 0 and here y is equals to 2. But this is not our actual variable. So our actual variable is x. So we will re-put the value of y is equals to x minus 1 over x, and we will get x minus 1 over x is equals to 0, and here x minus 1 over x is equals to 2. Here is very simple method. We will divide the equation by x and will becomes x square minus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to plus minus 1. But in this situation there is some other method will be used. When we will multiply the equation by x, then we will get x square minus x plus 2x square. Write this in the quadratic form, x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This cannot be factorized or any other formula. So we will solve this by the help of the quadratic formula. So by applying quadratic formula, we will get the value of x is equals to 2 plus minus 2 square root 2 by 2. We will take 2 as common and get 1 plus minus square root 2. So value of x is equals to value of x is equals to 1 plus minus square root 2 by 2 and other values plus minus 1. So this is the solution set. Now question number 12. 4 into, this is not decimal point, this is the multiplication sign. Okay, 4 into 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 minus 9 into 2x plus 1. Dear students, you can observe that the variable is in the exponent form. So this type of equation in which the variable is in the exponent form, this equation is known as the exponential equation. So you can see that 2 into 2x plus 1 means this is the combination of two values, means 2 into 2x dot means multiply 2 into 2 raised to power 1. We will write this, and now you know that 2 raised to power 1 means 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. This will become 8 into 2 raised to power 2x minus 9 into 2 to power x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now we will put y is equals to, this is a smaller value, so we will put y is equals to 2 raised to power x, and when we will take the square, then it will becomes y square is equals to 2 raised to power 2x. So this equation will becomes 8y square minus 9y plus 1. We will use factorization method, and after that we will get the value of y, which is equals to y minus 1 into 8 y minus 1 is equals to 0. So now we have two situations. So that's why we will use y is equals to minus 1, y will be equals to 1, and 8y is equal minus 1 is equals to 0. So y is equals to 1 by 8. But again you know that y is not the actual variable, so we will reput y is equals to 2 raised to power x. It will becomes 2 raised to power x is equals to 1, and 2 raised to power x is equals to 1 by 8. And my dear student, from this side, if you know that if any value has the exponent equals to 0, then this will be equals to 1. So to make the base as the common same basis, we will put here 2 raised to power 0, because 2 raised to power 0 means 1. We can write this in this form. Since their bases are same, so their exponent will be equal. So x is equals to 0. And from this, 2 raised to power x is equals to 1 by 3, 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means 2 raised to power 3. Okay, this is the cube of 2. So when we will write 2 in the numerator, then the value of the sign of the exponent will be the change. So bases are same, so x is equals to minus 3. So their solution set is equals to 0 and minus 3. Now we will move the last question of this exercise. This is also again in the form of the exponential equation. 2 raised to power x plus 64 dot 2 raised to power minus x minus 20 equals to 0. Since this is the negative exponent, so we will write this in the numerator and make it the positive. And after that we will put y is equals to 2 raised to power x, and then we will find y plus 64 by y minus 20 equals to 0. We will multiply this equation by y and get y square plus 64 minus 20y is equals to 0. We will arrange this in the quadratic form. Y square minus 20y plus 64 is equals to 0. We will break this mid term like minus 16 minus 4, which is equals to minus 20. And after that, by taking the y as common and here 4 as common, we will get y minus 16 into y minus 4 equals to 0. Two situations, after getting the two situations, we will get the value of y, which is 16 and which is equals to 4. Now we will again put the value of x in the form of x. Y is equals to 2 raised to power x. So put 2 raised to power x is equals to 16, 2 raised to power x is equals to 4. We will get the prime factorization. With the help of prime factorization, we will get 2 raised to power 4 is equals to 16 and 2 square equals to 4. Again you can observe that bases are the same, so their exponents will be the equal. So value of x is equals to 4 and here value of x is equals to 2. So this is the solution set that x has two values 2 and 4. This is the end of exercise 1.3.